Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high, even if the sky is falling down. Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down.
My vision board is all about reminding myself of three things: who I am, what I dream of becoming and accomplishing, and not just merely having the things that I want, and what I need to do to get the best version out of who I am. It has mostly photos and words that inspire me to act on my goals and do something to achieve what I want to achieve. It's more on visualizing that I need to get up, hustle, and do something to reach the goals I have set for myself, and that it's never ending and it's never too late. I cut out an exclamation point or an inverted small letter I and put it on the upper left corner to represent me and who I am, an idealist, and a reminder of my number one strength from an assessment, which is intellection. I am a thinker and an idealist, always tinkering away with my thoughts, a tinkering thinker. And sometimes I am consumed by all these thought bubbles surrounding me, like zero visibility fog. And to lift all these collections of thoughts means putting out something into the world that is more tangible and less ephemeral. This translates to my 2020 one-word mantra, which is do. The act of doing. Doing, whether it be creating, documenting, sharing, which also needs a lot of learning, which also means it must be inspiring for me and for others. I have added pages from a book that revolves around being better than yourself and expressing the process in different creative ways, making it happen and planting seeds while also reaping seeds planted before. I also added some of my own illustrations to remind myself to create more artwork that tells a story and is more intentional. There are also two photos I've included. One says, "I like my choices," and was taken on the bench where a scene from The Fault in Our Stars was filmed, and the other photo shows my hand reaching out for the vastness of the sea. The former reminds me that at the end of the day, there are some things that I don't get to choose and have no control over, but I do have a say in most other aspects of my life, and I must like the choices I have made. The latter reminds me that no matter how vast and scary a dream or a goal may be, it is never out of reach as long as you take that first step, be okay with treading lightly, and just keep swimming. A lesson in fortitude, resilience, and to finish strong. Don't drown, even if that is all I can do. Again, more than a vision board filled with material things that I want to have, it is more of a reminder of what I am capable of and what I can become. That is, if I put the work, the dedication, sprinkled with faith and hope, perseverance, and a healthy dose of optimism.